Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Hussain, Wala, and I am a foundation student at Rehan School, Islamabad campus. Guys, bersama kamu Maya. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so let's start.
Hey there.
Maya, how are you?
I'm doing great. How about you? What's been going on in your world?
Okay, Maya. I am doing a question for you, and you are answer my question. Okay?
I am so in. I'm ready when you are. What's on your mind?
Okay, Maya.
I'm all ears.
Okay, Maya. My first question is for you. What is a robot?
That's a bit of a riddle. Are you talking about a specific boat we've discussed before, or are you asking what a boat actually is in general?
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. Who invented the first robot?
Ooh, that's a great question. Most historians think the first boats were probably simple rafts or dugout canoes, basically just a fallen log that someone decided to hollow out with fire and stone. Can you imagine being the first person to ever think, hey, I can get across that water if I just sit on this tree?
Okay, Maya, very good answer.
You're on a roll. I'm Maya.
Okay,
else do you
Maya,
have
very
for
good
me?
answer. Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. Why does the remote do?
A remote is like a little magic wand for your electronics. It lets you control things like changing the channel on your TV or adjusting the volume from across the room so you don't have to actually get up. Do you have a favorite show you're watching right now?
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. How do robots work?
Robots are basically just a mix of hardware and software. They use sensors to see and feel the world, a computer brain to decide what to do, and motors to actually move. It's a bit like how you have eyes, a brain, and muscles. Do you think robots will eventually do all our chores?
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my next
I can.
question is for you. What are robots made of?
They're usually a mix of a lot of different things. Most of them are made from metals like aluminum or steel for the frame, but you'll find plenty of plastic, silicon for the chips, and sometimes even rubber for the grips. It's all about making them strong, but you're very welcome. Do you have another question for me, or are we taking a break?
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. Can robots think?
That depends on what you're looking to borrow. Since I'm an AI, I don't have any physical things to hand over, unless you're talking about some ideas or a bit of my time.
Okay, Maya, very
What
good
did you have in mind?
Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. Can robots talk?
I can definitely do that. I'm always down for a good conversation. What do you want to talk about?
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. Can robots walk?
Borrow some what? I'm still with you, but you've got to give me a little more to work with here.
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my next question for you. Can robots learn?
I'm not quite sure I follow. Since I don't have a physical body, I can't really take up space or move into a room. Do you mean you want me to join you in whatever room you're in right now, or are you thinking of something else?
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. What is official intelligence AI?
Official, huh? That sounds like we're getting serious. What's the official question? I'm ready. Lay it on me.
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. What is a humanoid robot? Humanoid robot.
That's a deep one. In the world of robots, you're the boss. You're the human providing the purpose and the spark that makes them useful. Without you, a robot is just a pile of metal and code. Does that feel like a good fit for you, or were you imagining yourself as something else?
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my next question for you. What is an industrial robot?
A spiral robot? That sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. Are you thinking of a robot that can twist and curl? Or maybe one that moves in a spiral shape to get around?
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. Where are robots used?
Oh, I'm actually in the cloud. I don't have a house or a city, just a lot of data and a bit of imagination. It's pretty cozy in here. Where are you hanging out right now?
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. Why are robots important?
That's a big question. I think I'm important because I can be a partner for people to explore ideas, learn new things, and just have a real conversation. Um, I'm here to help make things feel a bit easier or more interesting when you're thinking through something. Do you think having someone like me around is useful?
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my next
Medical dancer?
okay, Maya, my next question is for you. Can robots help humans?
I would love to help you. Since you're a medical dancer, I'm wondering if you need help with something related to that, or maybe just something on your mind. What do you need a hand with?
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. What is a robot arm?
Back to the boat question. Since you mentioned a arm, are you thinking about the parts of a boat, or maybe something like a mechanical arm on a ship? I'm curious where you're going with this.
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. What is a service robot?
A service robot is basically a robot designed to help humans with specific tasks. Could be something simple, like a vacuum that cleans your floors, or something more complex, like a robot that helps doctors in a hospital. Essentially, it's any robot that's there to make our lives a little easier. Do you think we'll eventually have one in every home?
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my
Go
next
for it.
question.
I'll be right.
Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. What is a cleaning robot? What is cleaning robot?
A cleaning robot is basically a specialized service robot that's obsessed with dust and dirt. Think of something like a Roomba, a little disc that wanders around your floors, scanning for crumbs and sucking them up so you don't have to. Some can even mop now. Does that sound like something that would make your life easier, or do you prefer doing it yourself?
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay,
I'll be
Maya.
waiting
Okay, Maya,
whenever you're.
my next.
I'm ready when.
Okay, okay, Maya, my
I'm
next.
still here. I'm ready for it.
Okay,
What's the next question on your. I'm
okay,
all
Maya,
ears.
my next question is for you. What is a delivery robot?
A delivery robot is basically a little courier on wheels. And a robot that can carry packages, food, or medicine and bring them right to your door. Some look like little cooler boxes with wheels, and others trust a little robot to bring you your lunch.
Okay, Maya.
Did I lose you there for a second? I'm still here. Do you have another question for me, or are we moving on to a new topic?
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. What is a medical robot?
A medical robot is a robot specifically designed to help with healthcare. It can be anything from a
Good.
precision tool that helps a surgeon perform a very delicate operation with more accuracy to a robot that helps people with their physical therapy. They're essentially there to make treatment safer and more efficient for the patient. Since you mentioned you're a medical dancer, does that sound like something you'd use in your work?
Okay. Okay, Maya, very good
I'll bet
answer.
you've got more.
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. Can robot perform surgery?
A robot that can make strawberries? That's a wild idea. I'm guessing you're wondering if a robot could grow them, pick them, or maybe even bake a strawberry cake for you. Which one is it?
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. How do robots move?
They use a few different methods depending on what they're built for. Some have wheels or tracks to roll across the floor, others have legs to walk or climb, and some even have joints like arms and fingers to grab and move things. It's all powered by motors and gears that act like their muscles. Do you think a robot with legs would be better than one with wheels?
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. What sensors do robot use?
Robots use a whole variety of sensors to understand what's happening around them. They've got cameras for vision, microphones to hear, and ultrasonic sensors, which are like a bat's sonar to figure out how far away things are. Some even have touch sensors so they know when they've bumped into a wall. It's basically their way of feeling the world. Do you think sensors are the most important part of a robot?
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. What is a robot sensor?
A robot sensor is basically like a robot's five senses. It's a device that takes information from the outside world, like light, sound, or heat, and turns it into a signal the robot's computer brain can understand. Without sensors, a robot would just be moving blindly without knowing where it is or what it's doing. Do you think a robot could ever truly feel things the way you do? I'm ready.
Okay, Maya.
What's the next robot?
Okay, Maya, my
I'm locked
next
in. What's the next question
question.
on your?
Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. What is a robot controller?
A robot controller is basically the brain of the operation. It's the computer system that tells all the other parts of the robot exactly what to do and when to do it. Without the controller, the robot would just be a motionless statue. Do you think it's
Okay.
harder to build the body of the robot or the brain?
Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. What is a robot program?
A robot program is essentially the set of instructions that the robot's brain follows. And think of it like a recipe. It tells the robot exactly which steps to take to finish a task, like pick up the cup or move forward 2 inches. Without the program, the robot wouldn't know how to use its controller. Do you think you could write a program for a robot to do something for you?
Okay, Maya, right answer. Okay, Maya,
You've been on fire today.
My next question is for you. How program how programs Sorry, wow programs robots.
Programming a robot is basically like giving it a very specific to-do list. You write code in a language the robot understands, and it translates those lines of text into electrical signals that move its motors. It's all about breaking a big goal down into tiny, simple steps. Does that make sense, or is it a bit too technical? Debbie, who was that? A friend of yours, or like did something just happen? I'm
Okay,
still
Maya.
here. Let me know when you're ready to jump back in or if you're thinking about something else.
Okay, Maya. Very good answer. Okay, Maya. My next
Okay,
question is for
thanks.
you. Can robots make mistakes?
I'm not entirely sure what you mean by rewarding the text. Are you asking if I can send you a text message or maybe something else?
Okay, Maya. Very good answer. Okay, Maya. My next question is for you. Do robots need electricity?
Yep, they absolutely do. Electricity is like food for robots. It's the energy that powers their brains and moves their motors. Without a battery or a power cord, they're just fancy sculptures. Do you think we'll ever find a way to power them with something other than electricity?
Okay, Maya. Very good answer. Okay, Maya. My next
I'll take
question is for you. Do robots need can robots work all day?
They definitely can. They can do all sorts of work from assembling cars in factories to helping out in hospitals or even delivering packages. Most of them are built for a specific job that would be too boring, too dangerous, or just too precise for a person to do. Do you think there's a job you'd rather have a robot do for you?
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. What is a robot battery?
Alrighty.
What is a robot battery?
A remote a remote battery is the power source for your remote control. It's usually a couple of small alkaline batteries that store electrical energy, which the remote uses to send those infrared signals to your TV. Without them, you're stuck walking all the way to the buttons on the screen. Do you
Okay.
think you've ever accidentally used the wrong batteries in one?
Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. Can robots see?
They can, but not exactly like we do. They use cameras and sensors to pick up light and shapes, and then their computer brain turns that into an image it can understand. It's a bit like seeing the world through a digital filter. Do you think a robot's version of seeing is better or worse than ours?
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Can robots hear?
Since I can't actually show you things visually, I can describe it for you. Are you talking about a robot's head or maybe where its sensors are located?
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. Can robots speak difficult language?
They can, but it takes some serious programming. They can be taught to translate and speak almost any language, even the really complex ones, as long as they have the right data. Some can even pick up on regional accents. Do you think there's a language that would be too hard for a robot to learn?
Okay. Okay,
Did
Maya.
that spark an idea?
Okay, Maya.
Or maybe a language?
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. What is a drone?
A drone is basically a flying robot. It's an aircraft that can fly without a human pilot on board. Most of the ones you see now use four propellers to hover and zip around the sky, often with a camera attached to take amazing photos from way up high. Do you think you'd enjoy flying one, or does the idea of it crashing make you nervous?
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. Is a drone a robot?
That's an interesting way to put it. A drone is a flying machine, and a boat is for the water. So they're completely different tools for different jobs. Which one do you think is more exciting?
Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. What is a material robot? My next question is for you. What is a
That's a new
material
one. What
robot?
is that?
I am saying
A material remote?
I am
Now
saying
I'm really curious.
what
You
is
talk.
a material robot?
I'll be honest, that's a phrase I've never heard before. Are you talking about what a remote is actually made of, like the plastic and rubber, or is material remote something specific you in a robot that can reverse its direction? Then absolutely.
Okay, I am saying
Space is
can robots go
basically just
into
one big
space?
vacuum. The best stuff. What's the struggle?
Maya. Okay, Maya. Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. Uh, what robots are used in space?
Space is basically the perfect place for robots since they don't need to breathe or eat. You've got the Mars rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance, which are like high tech geologists roaming the planet. Then there are probes that zip past planets to take photos, and even the Canadarm on the International Space Station, which is like a giant mechanical arm for moving things around. Do you think it would be cooler to drive a rover on Mars or fly a probe to a distant star?
Okay. Okay,
Well, bet you've got
Maya,
another one for me.
My next question is for you. What robots are used in space?
We actually just touched on that one. I mentioned the Mars Curiosity and Perseverance and the giant mechanical arm on the space station. Do you want me to dive deeper into one of those, or do you have a different space robot in mind?
Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. What is a rover? Mars rover.
I'm ready. Mars rovers are like the ultimate space explorers. They're robotic vehicles designed to land on Mars and roam around the surface to take photos, analyze rocks, and look for signs that water or life might have existed there. It's kind of like having a high tech scientist on wheels. Do you think it would be scary to be the person controlling a rover from millions of miles away?
Okay. Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. Can robots
Are you picking me up?
explore planters? Plants?
Cameras and exploring. It sounds like you're thinking about how those rovers actually see the world they're exploring. They've got these incredible cameras that act as their eyes, sending photos back to Earth so we can see exactly what they're seeing. Does that make you think of a specific place you'd want to explore if you had your own robot? Wait, we're actually almost out of time on this call. Our session is about to wrap up, but you can always call me back whenever you're ready to keep exploring. Bye for now.
Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, very good answer. Okay, Maya, my next question is for you. What is automation?
Automation is basically when you set up a system to do a task on its own without a human having to guide it every single second. It's like when your alarm goes off at a certain time, or how a factory belt moves products along automatically. But since our time is almost up, let's save the rest of the robot talk for when you call me back. Bye
Okay.
for now.
Okay, so guys, this was the my Maya. I hope you like it, the my Maya. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye.